here I would like to share with you this little mini handheld the vacuum. Normally they do it for the computer, keyboard computer. So, but it's strong enough, not too powerful, but it's both just collect the pollen. And I tried to use a different one, but I didn't like it. But this one much better. So here's a button here. It's not on a hair dryer. But here we go. I'm gonna go in here, and you can see. Very gently. So there, it's everything you can see here. It's empty now. So the pollen is gonna be inside here. So I'm gonna show you how I'm taking out with this little vacuum here. It's the way the pollen supposed to be in the filter. So I had to go inside to take it off, easier to see. So after I collect the pollen with this little device here, and I'm gonna unscrew this out, and then you can see it's a filter in here that where the pollen got sucked in. So I'm gonna remove that pollen, remove this filter, and you can see the pollen. Look at that. For one flower, American Beauty, normally I cannot even collect this much pollen, and with this the little vacuum that I can collect a little more than I normal. So this one, it's a filter. It's washable. You can wash it. That's what I did. And I'm gonna pour this in here. And sometimes the pollen get all over. You can use the brush. I have a little brush here. Then I clean it out, and I can wash them and dry them. And I put back to my handheld mini here. Put it back together, and then I just store it. So look at this. It's just one flower, American Beauty. That's a lot for one flower. So that one I'd like to share with you. I got this at Amazon, and I think the brand here that you can see. Let me see where it is. I thought I just saw them earlier. Called right there. Amigo. I think hard to see here. So Amigo products, so at Amazon. So thank you for watching.